The Indian Army has rejected media reports alleging recent encroachment and setting up of camps by the Chinese Army, calling the claims incorrect and without any basis. Despite Azerbaijan's long-standing support for Pakistan, Azerbaijan has criticized India's growing defense partnership with Armenia, calling it destabilizing for the region. Pakistan is engaging with Ukraine for UAV training and operational lessons, aiming to improve its drone warfare capabilities against India. Stravex Technologies has completed Indian Army trials of its lightweight AgniStrike drone Interceptor, a backpack portable counter-drone system that uses AI-based optical tracking and high-speed interceptor to neutralize hostile UAVs. The Indian Army is raising Baaz battalions to operate long-range drones for surveillance and attack that would be placed under the Army Aviation Corps. The Indian Army will operationalize its first integrated battle groups from 1st of July 2026, marking a major shift toward agile self-contained combat formations. The Ministry of Defense has released the Delegation of Financial Powers 2026 for DRDO, aimed at speeding up decision-making, improving accountability, and enabling faster execution of critical defense research and development projects. The Ministry of Defense will sign the 30,000 crore rupees QRSAM contract for the Indian Army in the coming weeks, designed to protect Indian Army's armored columns, mechanized formations and frontline troops from enemy aircraft, helicopters, drones and precision-guided munitions. Mumbai-based Exicom Technologies developed Cockatoo series IP mesh networking system has successfully completed Indian Army validation trials, proving reliable 15 km communication links for UAVs, unmanned ground vehicles and unmanned surface vessels. DRDO's Project VEDA Road Mobile Rapid Response Military Satellite Launch System could begin developmental trials before the end of 2026. To validate India's ability to launch replacement satellites within 72 hours during conflict. The Chinese Air Force has released promotional footage, offering the first official glimpse of its J-36 next-generation stealth fighter prototype. The aircraft briefly appears in a Y-20 tanker video, revealing its tailless diamond-shaped stealth design. India's Project 75I submarine deal with Germany has entered its final clearance stage, with the technical evaluation group reviewing contract details before CCS approval. The first submarine is expected in 2032, and the remaining 5 are planned for annual delivery thereafter. The DRDO and the Aeronautical Development Agency are working on a new class of stealth-compatible smart weapons for India's AMCA, including a compact Rudram-1 missile. The existing Rudram-1 anti-radiation missile is 5.5 meters long and weighs nearly 600 kilograms. That will be suitable only for external carriage, but unsuitable for internal integration. The new missile will be more compact, with folding control surfaces and advanced high-energy solid propellants, to preserve existing range and performance in a compact airframe. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and French Defense Minister Catherine Vautrin held high-level discussions on collaboration for 6th-generation fighter aircraft. Latest reports indicate that India is leaning toward a bilateral partnership with France on the future combat air system, instead of joining the UK, Italy, Japan global air combat system, as a two-country model of future combat air system will allow faster decision-making, clearer work share, and better control over technology sharing. France is seen as a strong partner due to its independent defense ecosystem, Rafale cooperation with India, and ongoing Safran GTRE collaboration on a 120 kN class fighter engine for AMCA. India has made it clear to the French side that its key priorities are meaningful design participation, intellectual property creation, domestic production and long-term benefits for Indian industry. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.